Welcome to visit Chill English Flow channel for learning English conversation. Jack and Sophia. Thank you.
Welcome to Chill English Flow. If you want to learn English in a relaxed and natural way, you're in the right place. My goal is to help you improve your English.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Chill English Flow. Today, we're going to do something a little different.
That's right. We're not focusing on a single topic, but on the tools you use for every topic. Simple, everyday English phrases.
Learning big vocabulary is great, but knowing these common phrases will make you sound more natural and feel more confident instantly.
The goal is to give you phrases you can start using the second this video ends. So, let's get into some speaking practice.
And if you're ready to practice with us, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of our lessons.
Okay, first up, let's talk about greetings. Instead of always saying, "How are you?" what's a more casual option, Sophia?
A great one is, "What's up?" It's very relaxed and friendly.
So if I see a friend, I can just say, "Hey, what's up?"
Exactly. And the common response isn't, "I'm fine." It's usually, "Not much. What's up with you?" Or, "Nothing much."
It's a way of saying hello without expecting a long, detailed answer.
Let's do a quick role play. You be my friend I see at a cafe.
Sounds good. Hey, Sophia, what's up?
Not much, Jake. Good to see you. What's up with you?
Perfect. Next phrase. What if someone explains something to you and you want to say you understand?
Instead of "I understand," which is a bit formal, you can say "I get it" or "got it."
It's short, simple, and very common. It shows you're following the conversation.
So if you told me, "The meeting is at 3 p.m. in the main conference room."
I could just respond, "Okay, got it, thanks."
Exactly. It makes the conversation flow smoothly.
Okay, here's another one. How do you respond when someone says thank you or apologizes for something small?
A fantastic friendly phrase is "no worries."
I love this one. It's so versatile. It can mean you're welcome or it's okay.
So if I say, "Oh, sorry for being a few minutes late,"
You could say, "No worries, we just got here too."
and if I say, "Hey, thanks for grabbing my coffee."
No worries.
Let's move on to making plans. If a friend suggests something, what's an easy way to agree?
I use sounds good all the time or sounds like a plan.
It shows you like the idea and you agree. It's very positive.
So if I ask, want to see a movie on Friday night?
A perfect reply is, "Yeah, sounds good."
It's much more natural than just saying, "Yes, I agree to your proposal."
Definitely. Now, what if you need to ask for something politely?
Starting your question with "could you" is a great way to be polite.
It's softer than saying "can you" and much better than giving a command.
For example, instead of "pass the salt," you can ask, "Could you pass the salt, please?"
Or at work, "Could you send me that email when you have a chance?"
It's a simple change that makes you sound much more courteous.
Okay, a phrase for ending a conversation. What if you need to leave?
A very common way to announce your departure is, "I'm heading out."
It's a casual way to say, "I'm leaving now." You can say it to your family at home or to colleagues at the end of the day.
For example, "All right, everyone, it's 5 o'clock. I'm heading out. See you tomorrow."
Or, "I'm heading out to the store. Do you need anything?"
It's a perfect, simple phrase for everyday use.
So let's do a quick recap of the phrases we covered today.
We learned "what's up" for a casual greeting,
"I get it" or "got it" to show you understand.
"no worries" as a friendly reply to thank you or sorry,
"Sound good" to agree to a plan.
"could you" to make a polite request.
And "I'm heading out" when you need to leave.
The best way to learn these is to use them. Try to use at least one of these phrases today. Practice is everything.
That's all the time we have. Let us know your favorite simple English phrase in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you next time.